It will turn colder. We'll have some wind gusts over 30 miles an hour today. We'll have that cloud-sun mix. Low disturbance coming in will cause a few more clouds this afternoon. And between about noon and 4, we may see a pop-up shower, maybe even a snowflake in a couple areas. We'll be in the 20s tonight. We'll be around 50 tomorrow, and then about 55 to 60 Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday's looking colder. A system overhead may give us a little bit of rain Thursday as it ends with some colder air Thursday night. We may get a few hours of some wet snow showers. Doesn't look like it's going to be a big system as of now, but we'll keep an eye on it as the week goes on. The clouds leave and then they pop back up, and here's that chance between noon and 4 of a couple rain showers or maybe a snowflake. That moves on through. We clear back out and we'll have a lot of sunshine for tomorrow. Wind gust forecast today, again, breaking 30 miles an hour for a few hours this afternoon. Then winds will start to get a little bit lighter later this evening and tonight. Wind chills go from the 40s into the 30s today and then 20s this evening. And we'll have low temperatures tonight in the mid to upper 20s and high temperatures tomorrow in the 40s to around 50. But then we're back up to about 55 to 60 as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. But we will turn colder for the end of the week. That chance for a little bit of rain Thursday could end as some snow showers Thursday evening and Thursday night. Then it turns a lot colder. Teens to low 20s Friday morning with a high around 40. And as of right now, we should be going back into the mid 40s on Saturday.